Welcome to today's tutorial where I'll guide you through the process of permanently deleting your 1xBet account. It's essential to follow each step carefully to avoid any errors, so make sure you stick around until the end. Unfortunately, there's no direct method within the 1xBet app to delete your account. However, you can achieve this by reaching out to their customer support. Let's dive into the steps. Start by closing the 1xBet app and opening your Gmail application. Compose a new email address to 1xBet customer support at report@1et.com. In the subject line, write account deletion request. Craft a brief but clear message explaining why you wish to delete your account. Express that you no longer require the account and request its permanent deletion. Send the email and wait for a response from the 1xBet support team. Remember, contacting customer support is the only way to proceed with deleting your 1xP account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.